How to turn on show local devices only on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on show local devices only on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click this one to go to settings, and now you need to find this one here, show local devices only, and if you want to turn it on just click on it, and as you see show local devices only has been turned on, and if you want to turn it off just click on it. And that's how to turn on show local devices only on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.